Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a character-based AI video from start to finish using two completely free tools. Whether you're just starting out or already have some experience, you'll be able to follow along easily. In just about 4 to 5 minutes, you'll learn how to generate visuals, voiceovers, assemble your video, and polish everything up. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss out on future content. Now, let's dive in and start building your AI-powered video step by step. Start by opening ChatGPT. We're going to use a special prompt to build a unique and consistent character, which you can get in the description box. It's optimized for storytelling and character consistency. Once you paste the prompt into ChatGPT, it will instantly generate a full story. Want to customize it? Feel free to tweak the setting or main character. You could, for instance, turn a boy in a forest into a girl in a futuristic city. It's all up to your imagination. I'll include the prompt and YouTube description in the video notes so you can easily copy and use them. Once the story is ready, we're set to move on. Now that we have a story, let's turn those words into visuals. Head over to Leonardo.ai. It's a powerful image generator that transforms text into creative illustrations. Here's how to get the best results. Set the image size to 16:9, perfect for YouTube. Choose the Phoenix 1.0 model. Copy the same prompts you used in ChatGPT and paste them into Leonardo. Be as descriptive as you can. Mention colors, lighting, style, like sci-fi, fantasy, watercolor, and character traits. One by one, paste your story prompts into Leonardo to generate matching images. You'll see the character remain visually consistent and the scenes will come to life beautifully. With your images ready, it's time to add voice. There are two free options I recommend: Love AI Voice and OpenAI's Text-to-Speech. Go to the website, paste in your script, pick a voice, and generate the audio. It's super simple. Try both and see which voice fits your video best. You can use either tool depending on the vibe you're going for. Now it's time to animate your story. We'll use Pixverse AI for this. Pixverse gives you 60 free credits per day, which allows about 3 videos. Using multiple Gmail accounts can give you extra credit across both platforms, allowing you to make more content at no cost. Click Create Video and upload the first image. Add the prompt for the first scene. Set the duration and hit Generate. Boom! You're done. Repeat the process for each image and matching prompt. Now that you have all your scenes and voiceovers ready, it's time to edit. I recommend CapCut. It's beginner-friendly yet powerful. Just drag and drop your videos, sync them with your voiceovers, and make any edits you want: transitions, effects, subtitles, whatever fits your style. Once you're happy with your project, export the video and it's ready to share. And that's it, your full AI video made using free tools. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this.
Leo is playing in his backyard garden when he finds a glowing, mysterious map hidden under a stone. Leo follows the map into a forest where the trees sparkle and animals talk. An old wise owl named Orlo greets Leo and tells him he is chosen to save the forest. To reach the heart of the forest, Leo must cross a river made of rainbow colors using floating stones. Leo reaches a cave with a magical crystal puzzle that unlocks the forest's secret. Leo places the final crystal and revives the forest heart, making the whole forest bloom with magical light.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with another exciting AI project.